What are the territorial boundaries within the Caribbean Sea? Have you ever wondered how the Caribbean Sea is defined by its surrounding land? This beautiful body of water is more than just a vacation spot. It has distinct boundaries that shape its identity. The Caribbean Sea is a large tropical sea located in the Western Hemisphere. Its territorial boundaries are defined by various geographic and political regions. To the north, the Caribbean Sea is bordered by the Greater Antilles. This group of islands includes Cuba, Hispaniola, which is home to Haiti and the Dominican Republic, Jamaica, and Puerto Rico. These islands create a natural barrier that separates the Caribbean Sea from the Atlantic Ocean. Moving eastward, the Lesser Antilles come into play. This chain of smaller islands stretches from the Virgin Islands down to Trinidad and Tobago, near the coast of South America. These islands form another boundary, acting as a natural divider between the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. On the southern side, the Caribbean Sea meets the northern coastlines of South America. Countries like Venezuela and Colombia have coastlines that touch the Caribbean Sea, marking its southern limits. To the west, the Caribbean Sea is bordered by the eastern coast of Central America and the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. Several countries, including Panama, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Honduras, Belize, Guatemala, and Mexico, have coastlines along this western edge. The Caribbean Sea covers an area of approximately 2,750,000 square kilometers. Within this vast expanse, you can find numerous gulfs and bays. Some notable ones include the Gulf of Gonave near Haiti, the Gulf of Venezuela, the Gulf of Darien near Panama, the Gulf of Paria between Trinidad and Venezuela, and the Gulf of Honduras near Belize and Honduras. Each surrounding nation has sovereignty over its adjacent coastal waters, which typically extend 12 nautical miles from the coastline. Beyond that, there are contiguous zones and exclusive economic zones where countries can manage resources and economic activities. The Caribbean Sea is also home to the world's second largest barrier reef, the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. This reef stretches along the coasts of Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, and Honduras, showcasing the ecological importance of the region. These territorial boundaries are significant not just for geography but also for culture. They encompass many countries rich in Latin American heritage, language, and history. The Caribbean Sea has served as a vital corridor for trade, cultural exchange, and migration throughout history, connecting various Latin American nations and shaping their identities. So, when you think of the Caribbean Sea, remember that its boundaries are not just lines on a map. They representing a diverse maritime region that is central to Latin American geography, culture, and history.